I know you want it, so I see you try.
So we're doing some hair content.
Just keep on pushing.
Much better though. Hello. Boom, boom, boom. See you guys at work. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna get my hair done today, so we're doing some hair content. We're gonna wash my hair. Let's do that. The hairstylist is on her way. Ready for the great review? Guys, in a minute. No, with my speaker. So, getting to work right now. I think I should start doing like work contents because yeah, I think that will add a little spice to the vlogs. What do you guys think? The hair looks so nice, looks so sweet, looks so good right now. Guys, I'm even getting much better. Oh, hello. We did vlog thing because tell me why. I don't care that there is like 4 guys working fast food right now. Alright, so see you guys at work.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah?
Johnston.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the ends, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the ends, it's just beginning, yo. I hope my accent doesn't throw you off. Some lyrics on my phone, nothing crazy, now let's say it on. I'm on a mission, set it, hitting smoke a zoot. You got your boys wife, take him home, then the man be getting on. I stay spinning round the ends in a murk. I don't drive my shit absurd, but I can stay to catch a word. For hip pops and bangs, turn the speaker to the world. Better shout on my man, and cause we're moving like we hurl, yeah. Got a whip and murk a beamer.